In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign conversations in Intercom. By the end, you'll feel confident moving chats to the right person or team so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open your inbox in Intercom. After you sign in, look for the inbox option in the main navigation. This is your command center for everything customer-facing. Clicking it pulls up your active queues, including items waiting for attention and anything already in progress. If you work across multiple views, just make sure you're in the one where the conversation lives so you can take action right away. Next, open the conversation you want to assign. Select the chat or thread from the list on the left to bring it into focus. You'll see the full message history on the right, along with any context you need to decide who should handle it. This could be product feedback, a billing question, or a technical issue. Whatever it is, having the conversation open ensures you assign it accurately. Now, assign it. Look near the reply box for the Assign button. Give it a click to open the assignment menu. If you prefer working quickly, you can also press the A key as a shortcut. That brings up the same menu without taking your hands off the keyboard, which is great for high-volume triage. If your composer area is collapsed, expand it so the Assign option is visible, then continue. Choose an assignee. You can assign to an individual teammate or to a team. Pick a teammate when the conversation clearly belongs to a specific person. Maybe they own the account, have the right expertise, or are currently on shift. Assign to a team when the request can be handled by any member of that group, like support or sales, and let their routing rules or daily workflow distribute it internally. Use the search bar to find the right name fast, and take a second to confirm you've selected the correct person or team to prevent ping-ponging later. That's it. Once you make your selection, the conversation is now assigned. You'll see the assignee reflected in the conversation header, and it will move out of any unassigned views into the appropriate queue. The assignee or team will be notified according to your workspace settings, but the customer won't receive a separate message just because you reassigned it. If priorities change, you can repeat the same process to reassign without disrupting the thread. To recap, open your inbox, open the conversation, click Assign or press A, choose the right teammate or team, and you're done. With these simple steps, you'll keep ownership clear, response times fast, and your inbox organized.